I dropped my watch yesterday and I broke one of the little tiny pieces of metal. There it is right there. And to be able to do that, I have a collection of old watch bands. This is old, but I'm going to use a small jeweler's straight screwdriver, and I need to bend up this tab here. Use a needle nose pliers, see if I can bend that. Bend that up. There we go. And then part of that piece of metal that's broke is right there. Pluck that out. Now I need to get into this one. I need to bend this up. Actually, I think I can get on that with the pliers. Metal's in there. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get that out though. And it came out. I don't know where, oh, no. I don't know where it went, but no matter. So now I need to slide this one into both of those. I'm going to have to put it on the pliers. Fingers are too big to hold on to it. Put it on the pliers like that. That lined up with both of those. That's the tricky part. There we go. So I put it right in here, slide that down, take the pliers and bend these back down to the position they were. Oops, I missed that one. Ah, shucks. Yeah, that metal didn't come out of there either. I'm gonna have to bend that back up and then get that in there. And I got it down in there. And now bend these back over. Carefully, I don't want to pinch myself. It doesn't feel good. That one. So I'm going to turn that inside out. Bend that down. And there we go, just like new. The facing, as I dropped it, shattered it, so I took some clear packing tape, cut a circle and put it on there just to hold all that together, because this is actually glass, and it's held together for a few months now. I just run it as long as I can. I mean, this is like a $9 watch, so, but these are the jeweler's screwdrivers. Come in really handy for doing small work like this. And that's it. But be sure and check out my other videos. Please subscribe, like, share, leave a comment below. Have a great day.